Okay, good morning everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to use Mathjax with Express and Node.js. Previously I have created a simple project in Microsoft Visual Studio in which I'm using Node.js and Express and Mathjax to give an impression how to have a mathematical expression using Express. The result can be seen here. So you have a sigma here and have a quadratic equation and a formula of the solution of the quadratic equation. In order to get this basics structure is, if you see, I have index.js and user.js. Here with we don't need user.js, so I can safely actually ignore it today. If you see the content of index.js, as you can see here, it requires Express, and from Express it requires a router, and from this router we define that when the user asks for the website, we will give an index file which is titled Express. The content of the HTML device HTML is defined in this file, index.pug, which essentially a templating for the content of the first page in our website. These are the first line indicate the name of the file. Second line simply says that it is supposed to generate HTML file, and the rest of the line simply describe the content of the file. The first one is this one, which indicate that we should include the content of head.pug, and we have body with first header, first paragraph, and second paragraph. It is in this second paragraph we have a mathematical expression. This translates to a is not equal to 0, and this translates to a general form of quadratic equation, and these are the formula of the solution of the quadratic equation. The last line simply include food.pug. The content of this file is very simple paragraph with copyright. These are very simple HTML files that simply shows how to have a mathematical equation in your website. As you might already know, in order to use Mathjax, there are a number of ways, but today the ways that is being used is this way. This line simply tells that for this particular HTML file there will be a JavaScript, and the user should use the following address to translate the code into mathematical image. The result, as you may have already seen before, is this one. It's quite beautiful and I like it. So I think this is a very good way to display mathematics in website. Well, of course, for you who are not familiar with Microsoft Visual Studio or Node.js or Mathjax, this particular tutorial might be confusing, but for someone who already familiar with those technologies, I hope that this simple tutorial can help to describe how to use Mathjax from Express. Thank you very much. See you later.